Spring water is the world's most generic product. It's simply bottled water. Today the consumers can choose between hundreds of spring water brands. We have to think different.
Company Plus first developed a campaign in traditional media and on the web, based on water as a source of natural beauty. Using natural people, not models, in opposition to the usual beauty ideals we see in the fashion industry. The purpose was also to recruit young women in the target group to the web community at aquadorable.dk, where they could compete to win a place on the TV show Aqua d'Or, the search for natural beauty.
Three days after we launched the site, it almost crashed because we had so many visitors and they just kept coming. And now after 3 months, we have more than 7 million page views. That's a lot.
Aquadorable.dk quickly became one of the top 40 most visited sites in Denmark. Girls chatted with one another and discussed topics like health and beauty. And of course, they could nominate and vote for those who should be on the program.
Just adorable. La la la. Altså, jeg kan rigtig godt lide det, fordi det er jo lige præcis en naturlig skønhed. Altså, det gør muligheden større for alle. Det er en god idé. Altså, frem for at vise de der meget tynde huller. Så behøver man heller ikke se ud på en speciel måde. Du kan have alle mulige skønheder med, og det synes jeg er helt vildt fedt.
And then it was time to go on TV, not in the advertising blocks, but as the TV show Aqua d'Or Natural Beauty Contest, airing primetime on TV3.
Just adorable.
50 girls were selected for the 3 TV shows, showing their most beautiful, funniest, and craziest sides to stay in the game. The challenges took them from 50 down to 5, and the winner was crowned in an exciting live gala show.
Yes, we were really happy about how the audience followed the show. It was rated actually twice as high as the Top Model show.
Our sales have gone up by plus 40% this year compared to last year, so the campaign has had an incredible impact. And for us, it's a result beyond imagination.
For me, this just proves that it pays to think different and place the brand in a new context. And also that it pays off to create interaction between the users rather than to speak one way with them. I think that working 360 degrees around the brand could be the way forward for many brands.
La la la. Nothing left, nothing left. La la la. La la la. La la la.
This is a really smart media campaign, and it shows that these guys understood that the brands who will win are those whose consumers tell the best stories.
Just